Hello guys, today we will see how to upload two different floor plans in one project. Here I am taking a new project and clicking on Import 2D Drawing. And selecting a floor plan image, giving one wall-to-wall measurement, and clicking on Confirm. So this is how you can generate the 3D of the floor plan with the help of an image. This is the regular process all you knew. So in this, let's see how to upload different floor plan images on the second floor. On the right side of the interface, click on the new upper floor, turn off the copy content option, and click on Confirm. So that an empty second floor will be created again, click on Impact 2D Drawing. Select the other floor plan image, give the wall-to-wall measurement, give the floor number, and click on Confirm. Select the Continue option so that the second floor will be created as per the image. So this is how you can upload multiple floor plan images in a single project.